Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog, and today is Nishit's birthday, yay! And he's doing his decoration on his own. No, actually he's not doing decoration on his own.
Actually, she did all the decoration.
Yes. What the whole setup looks like. And he has like gifts in these boxes and chocolates, and that one is a customized chocolate. And this is his cake.
And this is a balloon.
I'm not taking you right
Very
now.
happy.
And this
And
he's
this
so
is-
happy.
And she does every single year. She has something different in her mind. I'm so happy. I'm like smiling, and I've got so many gifts. I don't know what all are in them, but I'm really excited. She didn't let me open any of this before 12. So now I'm going to grab it with both my hands
And this is his card.
open it.
And this is how the whole thing looks like all white and blue. Thing happened, he just didn't receive his luggage. I hate Air India. I mean,
Air India just sucks, and what they did is they forgot to keep the luggage from the
Yeah.
boarding station Gaya, and they don't have the luggage in Delhi, so they told me that we'll deliver it to your place. Like it was such a tragedy.
don't
I
do
was
like
sick.
this, it will shake. So yeah, so tomorrow first I'm going to take him for shopping to
I need to
get
get
a
at
jeans.
least a pair of jeans.
Yeah, because I
before-
already gifted him like 2-3 t-shirts and shirts.
And
So
this one is also
he
gifted.
don't need that. And so right now we are going to take some pictures, and we're going to cut
And
the
she's
cake.
very beautiful, and she's looking just absolutely
Okay, don't flatter.
Okay, bye bye, guys.
So just enjoy. I will show you like his birthday vlog at on 17th. My birthday is coming so soon. Oh
Yeah.
my god.
It is her birthday on 17th, and we are going to have a
Yeah.
big party then. And we
And we have a big news to share that we are going to share soon. So
yes, very
any
soon.
guesses, do let me know in the comment section below if you have any guesses, like a very big news, like we'll be sharing like both of us.
It's just a very
No,
delicious one.
you eat first. Happy birthday.
Mm.
Come on, we're looking good. Blue, 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 blue.
I just used.
Come on, give me. My hairs are looking damn bad.
But you'll love this flavor, you know.
Ah, good. Hmm. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
It's nice. Hmm. वैसे भी मत करो.
Gee, you look so cute.
So how are you feeling with all blue cake, all blue decor? Are you happy?
I'm very happy. I'm excited to open my gifts. I think I've got 10 boxes to open at least. So,
Okay, first see that card.
and this card, this beautiful card. See, it also has a balloon.
No. Oh, photograph.
See, it's like this. happy birthday. And I have this box. Let me see what is inside this. Oh my god. This has my favorite chocolate and this picture that of us. We took it in 2016. And see these chocolates.
Okay.
These chocolates. Now I'll open this one. I love chocolates actually.
Every time I gift him tons and
So,
tons of chocolates. Look
It
at my
has a
face.
stud diary. See this? This is so cool.
I told you we have a surprise for you guys.
Yes. And then we have this, and then we have this. Let me guess.
And this is what this,
This is-
box kind of looks like.
This has
Yes,
a
sir.
wallet, if I am right, and this has
Okay, come
a
on.
perfume.
Maybe like I don't know. See, see. I'm gifting him like since how many years?
8 years.
8 years. I have no options left. Truly.
I'm sure this is going to have a wallet.
But you didn't wanted a wallet, but still I like this one, so I picked this
See, it is a wallet only.
one. Fine, I told you. Like.
But she has always gifted me the quality again, a Tommy one. I love
Okay,
these
hold
wallets.
that camera right now. I'll turn on the lights.
No, let me see this first.
Oh, my hands are paining.
Oh my god, this is best. Just see this, guys. This is.
You like this one?
Yes,
color?
obviously, I love this color.
And you were like, no, I don't want wallet this time and all.
Actually,
Like,
from the past 3 years, the wallet that I use, it is always
Yeah.
gifted by Miss
I told you
Chelsi.
guys, you don't have like boys. What you can give them like other
See
than
this one?
t-shirts and everything. You don't
is the
have
first
anything
gift.
else to give them. No, hold the camera for once. Like my hands are paining. Okay, guys. So it's like too late now, and now we are going to have a dinner, and after that we are, I'm right now ending this vlog. Tomorrow I'm going to continue this vlog. So see you tomorrow and say happy birthday to him. Hi guys, good morning. So today now I'm going with Nishit to have lunch, and my brother is also coming. So we are going for like a sort of half family lunch or something. And as I'm going to continue this vlog, so today is Nishit's birthday. So we are going to have a lunch. After that, we are going to find a new jeans for him, of course, because he lost his luggage, or what I can say.
Don't tell that I lost my luggage. It is coming today.
Yeah, but
Thanks
right
to
now
Air
he
India.
don't. Yeah, right now he don't have his jeans. So after that, maybe we'll be going for shopping, and yeah. Oh, so okay, now you can say you're looking nice now. This angle is perfect.
I'm not looking. No.
Come on. Happy birthday.
I'm not
Happy
going to say
birthday.
anything.
Say something to birthday boy. Happy
I'll say after some time.
Happy birthday. New t-shirt, new pinch, new pinch, new pinch.
Everything's gifted by Chelsi.
New page. Don't do the advertisement thing. Hi guys, so we are in Cafe Teshu right now. I'm announcing it right. Okay, so we are actually here for his birthday lunch with my brother and with one of my friends, and after that we'll be going for shopping and don't do like this. Yeah, so if you have seen my earlier vlog, that is with Sejal Kumar, you must be knowing that I was in this cafe for an event, and this cafe is
And then she badly wanted both of us to be here.
It's a bit expensive, but like I wanted to tell this thing, this is a bit expensive.
Yeah, it is expensive, but it is good. Like ambience is good, and the place is also very easy to reach. Like you come to Hotchkiss metro station, and then this is just right over here. And she's laughing because I'm promoting the cafe.
Why there is people who think that you get money to promote everything. So guys, we are done with our lunch, and now we are going for shopping, and my brother is going back home, but we are going for shopping because he don't have you don't have anything else to wear, like other than two, t-shirts. Yeah, you can see.
It's okay. I'm looking good.
So we are going to do shopping for him, and after that we'll be going home. So yeah.
So yeah,
You want to say
we are
something?
going to for shopping and then we will be going home.
Yeah.
That is all.
What the hell, you are repeating my lines.
I don't have any other lines than this. And
And
we had a great time in Cafe Tesu, and it was like very nice. Some of the food that was there, it was good. Some we didn't understand how to eat.
And
Right?
my brother recommendation was worst. I will say this.
Yeah. He
His
is.
recommendation was worst, but he enjoyed the food. But yeah, I tried something new, so that was
Yes.
awesome. So let's go.